Track update as of 10 p.m. PST, July 19th. And dawn is strengthening. It's tropical. It has winds 145 knots. And I'd say it has a decent chance of getting up probably 55 knots for the next 24 hours. Because shear will be low and sea level temperatures are favorable for at least the next 24 to 36 hours, followed by the system moving into increased shear and cooler water long term. Thursday, NEC track west northwestern the next 24 to 36 hours and northwest, then recurving and becoming extratropical by 96 hours, which is in line with the models. And clearly, the models show 50 to 55 knots. I think 55 is pretty likely as of right now, in my opinion. The thing is clearly on its way. I wouldn't be. There's a small outside chance it could get up to 60. We'll have to watch and see. Next, we're going to be watching a system over the MDR over the next few days. Models still kind of show some development, but really the models have really backed off. Here's the GFS, the CMC for 72 hours, both for 72 hours. There's for 96 hours. Clearly, both models show development. Icon shows a low pressure. So there's going to be some kind of low pressure. The NAC is going with 20% right now. ECMWF also shows for 90 hours a low pressure. Right now, I'm going to maintain my 30% I said last night. But long term, I don't think conditions will be exceptionally favorable for it. Let's go to 120. And the GFS pretty much has washed it out for the chances of development. Now on to 95 E. This system, has 60% based on the NHC update. It's going to move west northwest. I think it has a pretty good chance of development. As you can see, that clearly has a low level circulation convection. And that may even be always depression, in my opinion, but the ANC didn't get an upgrade because they're very conservative, and that's the way it is. But we will move west northwest. And I think it has a decent chance of becoming a depression or a weak tropical storm over the next few days as it heads west northwest throughout the eastern Pacific. We can show you the CMC. Doesn't develop as much. The icon. You can also see the reflection of it. I think it has a chance of becoming our next name Eastern Pacific system as of right now. GFS is 66. Clearly, yeah. Curvo moved south of Hawaii last night. It's just rimmed at low right now. Convection is gone. It's history. So that's what we think right now. That's your tropic update.